Managing a field service business comes with unique challenges, from dispatching the right technicians to ensuring timely job completion and maintaining seamless customer communication. Many businesses still rely on manual processes, outdated scheduling methods, and disconnected tools, which can lead to inefficiencies, delays, and miscommunication. A modern field service management solution can streamline these processes, improve productivity, and enhance customer satisfaction. Zuper is a cloud based field service management platform designed to help businesses automate scheduling, optimize workforce deployment, and manage work orders efficiently. Whether you operate in HVAC, plumbing, electrical services, facility management, or any other service based industry, Zuper provides the tools necessary to reduce operational complexities and improve service delivery. In this video, we will explore its key features and benefits, demonstrating how it can transform your field service operations and workforce management. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the smart scheduling and dispatching. Effective scheduling is crucial for ensuring that service requests are handled promptly and that technicians are assigned efficiently. Zuper's intelligent scheduling system enables businesses to assign jobs based on technician availability, skill set, and location. The system also offers automated route optimization to minimize travel time and reduce fuel costs. This reduces scheduling conflicts, improves technician efficiency, and ensures that customers receive faster service. By automating dispatching, businesses can handle more service requests without increasing operational overhead. Another key feature is the real time GPS tracking. Keeping track of field technicians is essential for ensuring job efficiency and customer satisfaction. Zuper's real time GPS tracking feature allows managers to monitor technician locations, track job progress, and provide customers with accurate estimated arrival times. This enhances transparency and accountability by ensuring managers have full visibility into field operations. It also helps businesses optimize technician routes, reducing fuel expenses and increasing on time job completion rates. Another key feature is its automated work order management. Managing work orders manually can be time consuming and prone to errors. Zuper centralizes work order management by allowing businesses to create, assign, and track job requests in real time. Field technicians can update job statuses, add notes, upload images, and even capture digital signatures directly from the mobile app. This reduces paperwork, improves job tracking accuracy, and speeds up invoicing by ensuring all job details are logged in a structured and organized manner. Another key feature is the mobile app for field technicians. A dedicated mobile app is essential for field technicians who need instant access to job details, customer information, and work order updates. Zuper's mobile app provides technicians with a seamless experience to receive assignments, update job statuses, track service history, and generate invoices directly from their smartphones or tablets. This improves communication between field technicians and office staff, reduces the need for phone calls or manual data entry, and enhances productivity by allowing technicians to complete tasks efficiently on the go. Another key feature is the customer self service portal. Customers today expect seamless service experiences with real time updates and easy access to job information. Zuper provides a customer portal where clients can request services, track job progress, view technician details, and communicate directly with service teams. Customers can also provide feedback and make payments online. This enhances customer satisfaction by providing transparency, reducing response time, and offering self service options that make the service process more convenient. So, why is Zuper a great choice? Zuper offers a modern and intelligent approach to field service management, providing businesses with automation tools that eliminate inefficiencies and improve operational performance. Unlike traditional FSM systems that rely heavily on manual scheduling and paperwork, Zuper leverages AI driven smart scheduling, real time tracking, and digital work order management to streamline field operations. Its ability to optimize technician assignments ensures that service requests are fulfilled quickly and efficiently, reducing downtime and increasing first time job completion rates. One of Zuper's biggest advantages is its mobile first design, which empowers technicians to access job details, communicate with managers, and complete tasks from anywhere. The customer self service portal further enhances service quality by providing clients with real time updates and an easy way to request services and make payments. Additionally, Zuper's automated invoicing feature accelerates cash flow by reducing billing errors and ensuring that payments are processed smoothly. Basically, Zuper is a comprehensive field service management platform that simplifies workforce operations, automates job scheduling, and enhances customer engagement. With powerful features such as real time GPS tracking, mobile workforce management, automated invoicing, and seamless integrations, Zuper provides businesses with the tools they need to run efficient and profitable service operations. So, by adopting Zuper, businesses can eliminate manual efficiencies, reduce operational costs, and ensure timely job execution. So, if you're looking for a modern, scalable, and intelligent field service management solution, Zuper is the perfect choice to help you manage your workforce with ease and efficiency. So, start using Zuper today and optimize field service operations and take your business to the next level. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.